Hi, my name is Kaushik and today I'm trying to solve the very popular problem that is in zigzag level traversal of a binary tree. Suppose a tree has been given and we'll have to traverse from suppose the first row has been goes there. Suppose that was starting from there and next that next uh, the child the level, it will be reverse order. That means that is goes from there and that goes there, and then after that it will comes that will be from the left side, and if the next child or the next level has been found there, that will be reversing through there. That is the zigzag level or traversal. I am trying to solve this problem, so first dry run on that. So let's check it. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So according to the zigzag traversal, first it goes to there, then it goes to there, then it goes to there. So I am trying to solve this problem as a level order traversal, level order traversal, and I am taking a switch variable where each and every time after traversal of a level, it will be toggled. It will be toggled. That means when that is traversal has been done, then after that it goes to there. So the suppose that pointer has been flag is 0, then in that time that goes to 1, and after that will goes to 0. So it will be each and everything. Suppose child has been found there, in that case that will be flag will be 1 for that case. So basically in that case, and then after that that is the procedure of the following in that case of the zigzag level order traversal. So here I have been trying to take an queue. Basically I have been trying to DFS traversal. First of all, insert the root value, then after that when the root value has been insert to the vector, then the reverse the pointer is I have been initialized as true, because after that will be the reverse function. So 1, if the reverse function is true, if the reverse function has been true, so we need to, and in starting of every traversal I am initializing DQ for all the traverse. When the traversing has been working on, in that time all the data of value of the node that will be inserted in the DQ. After that, when the traversal has been completed, then it will be inserted to the queue. Through that queue dot end and DQ dot start and DQ dot end. That means that there is a procedure. Suppose that if the reverse procedure has been found there, in that condition, that will be it could be interchangeable. So that's why I am taking the DQ and the Q function there. So let's dry run on that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So here I have been putting the value to the 1, that is the Q. Now the reverse is being activated. Reverse is now activated, true. And now while the Q is not being empty, So now it's not being empty. So I have been counting that how much note has been present in the queue. So that is 1. That is 1. So I have traversed that will be I is equals to 0, I less than count, I plus plus, and now it will be popping out. Now it will be popping out that top value, and I am taking an vector that is the level order traversal. That is the level order which the value has been present right now, and I am also initialize a DQ of tree node, that is DQ. So, and right now I have been traversing there. Now I have been traversing that I0 to CND, and now popping that value, that is front. And if that is a reverse function has been activated, in that condition I will first take the left value, then I will take the right value, because that one, because in DQ it will be FIFO, basically fast in fast out. So first I have been putting 2, then after that it will backward 2 and 3 insert there. So that is the procedure, that when the reverse procedure has been entered, then after that the traversal has been completed. Now I will put the value. Now I will put the value to the queue. That means 3 and 2. DQ begin and DQ2, DQ end. So that means that, and after that I will put the value to the level order as a vector format, because we will have to return the vector of vector, because we will have to return the vector of vector int, right? And the data will insert it in that time when the top value will be popping out. In that time when the top value has been written, that is the level order push back the root value. That's the root value in that time. Let's press dry run on that. What I am trying to do now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is, first I have a queue, that is 1. I have been, and in that case it will return that the vector of vector, that will be returnable format, and I will also initialize then DQ, first queue. Now the reverse function is true, so in that case that will first 2 will insert, and then 3, and the level order traversal data will insert it to there, and the its left reverse has been activated, so the left first one and then right, though there's the 3. So now 3 and 2 will be inserted to that vector, that means that queue. Now that will insert it to that queue, that is 3 and 2. Now it's changed, that reverse value will become 0. So I have been counts as that is equals to 2 right now. So 0 to 2 I will be traversing, and now it's the pointer, that is 3. first will insert it, that is 3. Sorry, that will not, that basically the P4 DQ is also that the P4 condition, basically the fast in fast out. So I am trying to, that will be the 2 and 3, 2 and 3, basically that will insert it to the 2 and 3. So when that is oh sorry, mistakenly, sorry, basically the DQ is 3 and 2. Now the because there is a reverse condition has been activated on that time, so the vector is now 3, and 3's left value is 3's left value, that is 3's left value is right now that is the reverse function has been activated, and so that will be the DQ is been the 7, that in that case when that is come there, that first is 7 and then it is goes to 6, and now there 2 has been found there, so it's left condition, right condition, that's there 5, and then 4, so basically after that it will, the reverse condition has been got toggled. So basically that's the reverse condition is 0, that is 1, and that is right now that is 0. So after that I will insert the value as in 3 and 2, and after that in 4 and 5 and 6 it will not have any something, so that is the 4, then 5, then 6, and then 7, as the format that I have been trying to return as an answer. So maximum I handling the order of n size, but it the result expected as 2D format. So but that's why I'm telling about the order of n square, but basically I am taking most of the order of n space, and I have been traversing all the node of the tree, so that's why my time complexity is order of n. So last dry run on that, another example. Suppose 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So suppose that's the I have been right now, that is Q has been inserted, that is 4, and Q size is right now 1. I have been right now that after that I have been inserting the reverse is equals to 1. So in that condition reverses become 1, but in that condition reverses becomes 0. I mean that is 0. The reverse 1. So when the reverse has been 1, it's taking that it's first got accepting the left child, 5, and then 6, and it's got insert to the vector as a result. Now as a 6 and 5, that's it will got toggled. So right now right now 6 data, that means that it will checking that it's first it will insert the right child, then it will insert the left child. So then the order has been uh, initiated, the if the not reverse condition has been found there. So that's why that means that first 10, then got 9, then got 9, and 6 is and deleted from there. And right now I have a queue, the value is 5, so 5, and same here reverse also 0 right now, so it is adding 8, and that is 7. Right now I will insert to the queue, and 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 the 6 and 5 will insert it to the result vector, and right now it goes to the q, and dq is become empty. Dq is become empty right now. Right now 7, 8, 9, but the reverse is become inverted right now. Inverted right now. So inverted right now. So that is the left condition will insert it first. Left condition will insert it first. That is 11. Then after that it will insert it 12. Then 8, 13, then 14, and 9. So left child has not been found. So 15, and then got 16. So sorry, I got the wrong orientation there. Basically the first in first out I using there. First, that is 11, that is 12, that is 13, that is 14, that is 15, and that is 16. So that is the orientation, because left, right, first left, first right, when the reverse has been initiated as a true, left and left, and the value will inserted as 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then after that, as it is that 16 has no child, that will 16 pop out, that is 16, that is 16, then 15, that is no child, then 14, then 13, then 12, and then 11. So basically I am traversing all the node, basically order of n, and the space complexity also the not more than order of n, but as a 2D format. So I'm saying that in the order of n, but basically that is the order of n space complexity also. So right now I'm trying to implement there. First I will check that it is empty or not. If empty, that will direct return empty vector, and after that I will initialize the result vector, and queue of node, that is I am taking dq, as you can also take the q also, q tree node star, and named as q, and q dot push the root value, and initialize the reverse flag, that is true right now, while q not empty. Right now I'm traversing, not empty. Integer count is equals to q dot size, and vector of integer, that is the level order, and dq tree node star dq. for integer I is equals to 0, I less than cnt, I plus plus, and now I have been popping the every value and inserted to the level order vector. Tree node in basically the queue of front and level order dot push back the end dot val and queue dot pop right now. And now the reverse flag has been checking there. If the reverse flag has been present, so in that condition first will take the left and then it will right. So in that case what will happen, that in the LIFO case, hold on, in the LIFO case I have been taking just two example, that one and that one. If the reverse condition has been that is reverse, so in Q condition, that is fast in fast out, so if I have been putting that value fast, and that after there, so it will replace by left value, so there will be no result in that case. So that's why I am taking that first I will putting that left value, that will it goes to back and the right value will become fast. And when the not reverse condition, in that case that will insert first, that goes to backward and the left part will present in the first top. So that's why I am doing that logic there. So if the reverse has been found there, then dq dot push front that in dot left. Okay, and I'll also have to check that if that in left is not null. That is there checked, and also right now I'll have to check that if in that right, that then dq dot push front in dot right, and same there it will be reverse there condition, else condition is goes to there, that means it goes to upper first, it goes to upper first, and now I will insert the value. To the q dot insert in the q dot end and dq dot begin, that dq dot dq dot end and result, that means I res dot push back the level order and the reverse become toggled. And after that whole traversal has been completed, then after that I am returning the result vector of vector. So trying to submit, and let's before submit that check that. Let's check that first if any compile time issue or not. Yeah, I found a compile issue. Yeah, I'm taking DQ not Q, so that's why push back basically. There is an DUQUE, sorry, spell mistake. There is a spelling mistake. Same here. All up to missing the front direction I missed because that is an DQ. There is an it can delete from the front as well as the rear part. So raise vector of vector int level order. So raised yeah identified. I think I missed the level order. Okay, I gave the underscore. Yeah, it is accepting in the run code. I am trying to submit. So let's check what happened. Yeah, it's got accepted. Thank you so much.